So today's video is about my EDC. What do I carry in daily basis? I used to carry a phone and a wallet, but I don't really take my wallet anymore since our phones pretty much can do everything now. Despite saying that, I still choose books or Kindle than reading ebooks on my phone. This is one of my favorite books by Robin Sharma that whenever I read it, I learn something new. The book has an interesting title called Life Lessons from the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I think you should check it out if you haven't. Is anyone here actually still struggling whether to choose physical book or just Kindle? Because it happens to me every time. I used to not carrying a bag with me when I'm going out before the pandemic, but since the pandemic we need a mask and a hand sanitizer. I think they are everyone's essentials now. I guess the next thing is also everyone's essentials. An airport. And I really need this to keep me entertained for my 1-hour commute. And the next thing is a pen. This is actually a pen that I had since my first internship in Japan, and actually since then I've had the habit to carry a pen with me all the time. While the lip tint is a gift and all my friends suggest me to use it, so here it is. As for accessories, I use these gemstone bracelets like garnet, amethyst, opal that's suitable for my sign Aquarius. And for the watch, this is my favorite watch from Olivia Burton. I actually started wearing one when I started working because it doesn't look good when you check your smartphone just to check the time. Yeah, that's actually pretty much all that I carry on my daily basis. This tote bag, I actually just made it myself recently, and I really love it because it looks really simple and easy to carry. But there are also days that I'm lazy to carry bags, even a bag simple like this, so I use my another bag. It's like a pouch, and what's inside is actually the same, so I just transfer all the things. So yeah, actually that's pretty much all of my everyday carry. But there are also some days like when I just go out for a quick grocery, so I don't take a bag with me, I just need a phone. And I really love this card holder that attached to my phone because it could hold my card. I really find this very convenient, and just with only this I'm ready to go out. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great time, and see you again in the next video.